Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Network Types Lecture 18.1. Describe the different applications and features of different types of networks. Local Area Network LAN. Applications. LANs are used in homes, offices, and schools to facilitate file sharing, printer access, and communication between devices within a limited geographic area. Features: high data transfer rates, low latency, and ease of setup. Wide Area Network WAN. Applications. WANs connect geographically distant locations, such as branch offices or data centers, enabling seamless communication and resource sharing. Features: long-distance coverage, integration of multiple LANs, and use of public or private communication lines. Wireless Local Area Network WLAN. Applications. WLANs provide wireless connectivity to devices within a limited area, enabling mobile access to Internet and network resources. Features: wireless access points, mobility, and flexibility for users. Explain potential security implications that each type of network faces. Local Area Network LAN. Security implications. LANs are susceptible to unauthorized access if not properly secured. Insider threats may arise due to physical proximity, and malware can spread quickly within the confined network space. Wide Area Network WAN. Security implications. WANs face increased exposure to external threats as data traverses public networks. Encryption and secure authentication are essential to protect data during transmission. Metropolitan Area Network MAN. Security implications. MANs, being larger than LANs, have an expanded attack surface. Proper segmentation and access controls are crucial to prevent unauthorized access across connected organizations. Wireless Local Area Network WLAN. Security implications. WLANs are prone to eavesdropping and unauthorized access due to the broadcast nature of wireless signals. Encryption, strong passwords, and secure authentication are vital. Discuss methods that can be used to reduce the security risks faced by these different types networks. Local Area Network LAN. Implement strong passwords and regularly update them. Enable network segmentation to limit access to sensitive data. Utilize firewall and intrusion detection systems for network monitoring. Educate employees about security best practices to prevent insider threats. Wide Area Network WAN. Use virtual private networks, VPNs, to encrypt data during transmission. Employ strong authentication methods to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly update and patch network devices and software to address vulnerabilities. Implement network traffic monitoring and anomaly detection for early threat detection. Metropolitan Area Network MAN. Apply encryption and authentication protocols for data protection. Implement access controls to restrict data access between connected organizations. Regularly audit and monitor network traffic for suspicious activity. Wireless Local Area Network WLAN. Use strong encryption protocols like WPA2 or WPA3. Disable SS and e-broadcasting and enable MAC address filtering. Regularly update router firmware to address security vulnerabilities. Specification coverage. Applications and features of networks. Local Area Network LAN, WLAN. Wide Area Network WAN. Storage Area Network SAN. Personal Area Network PAN. Intranet, extranet, Internet, cloud wired and wireless integration. Local Area Network LAN. Applications. LANs are used in offices, schools, and homes to facilitate file sharing, printer access, email, and internal communication among devices within a limited area. Features: high data transfer rates, low latency, and ease of sharing resources within the network. Wireless Local Area Network WLAN. Applications. WLANs provide wireless connectivity to devices within a limited area, enabling mobile internet access, communication, and device connectivity. Features: wireless access points, mobility, and flexibility for users. Wide Area Network WAN. Applications: WANs connect geographically distant locations, enabling seamless communication, resource sharing, and access to centralized services. Features: long-distance coverage, integration of multiple LANs, and use of public or private communication lines. Storage Area Network SAN. Applications: SANs connect storage devices to servers, enabling centralized storage management, data backup, and quick access to shared data. Features: high-speed dedicated storage connectivity, block-level access, and scalability. Personal Area Network PAN. Applications: TANs are used to connect personal devices like smartphones, laptops, and wearable gadgets, enabling data transfer and device synchronization. Features: short-range connectivity, Bluetooth, Zigbee, simplicity, and limited coverage area. Intranet. Applications: intranets are private networks within organizations, facilitating internal communication, sharing offer sources, and collaborative tools for employees. Features: web-based interface, secure access controls, and centralized document management. Extranet. Applications: extranets extend intranets to external parties like suppliers or customers, enabling controlled sharing of information and collaboration. Features: limited access for external users, secure data exchange, and shared project spaces. Intranet. Applications: the Internet is a global network connecting millions of devices worldwide, providing access to information, communication, and online services. Features: worldwide connectivity, vast information resources, and diverse online applications. Cloud. Applications: cloud networks offer on-demand computing resources and services over the Internet, enabling scalable and flexible IT solutions. Features: virtualization, elasticity, and pay-as-you-go pricing models. Wired and wireless integration. Applications: integration of wired and wireless networks allows seamless connectivity for devices, enabling a mobile workforce and improved network coverage. Features: unified network management, handover between wired and wireless connections, and increased user mobility. Introductory task. A network is two or more devices that are connected together to allow them to communicate. However, have you ever wondered how networks are structured? Have you ever come across the following terms: LAN, WAN, SAN, PAN? Look up what these acronyms stand for. LAN. Local Area Network. Definition: a LAN is a network that connects devices within a limited geographical area, such as a home, office building, or campus. Purpose: LANs facilitate communication and resource sharing among devices in the same location. WAN. Wide Area Network Definition: a WAN is a network that spans a large geographical area, connecting multiple LANs or remote locations. Purpose: WANs enable communication between devices in different cities, states, or countries. SAN. Storage Area Network Definition: a SAN is a specialized network that connects storage devices, such as disk arrays, to servers, enabling centralized storage management and data access. Purpose: SANs provide high-speed, dedicated storage connectivity for efficient data storage and retrieval. PAN. Personal Area Network Definition: a PAN is a network that connects personal devices, typically within a person's workspace or immediate vicinity. Purpose: PANs enable communication and data transfer between personal devices like smartphones, laptops, and wearable gadgets. In short, these acronyms represent different types of networks with specific purposes, covering various communication and data sharing needs for different scales and locations. LANs, WANs, SANs, and PANs. Describe the different features of the following networks and draw a diagram to illustrate how they are structured. Features and structure of different networks. Local Area Network LAN. Features: connects devices within a limited area, such as an office or building, offers high data transfer rates, low latency, and easy resource sharing. Structure: typically uses Ethernet cables or wired connections to connect computers, printers, and servers to a central network switch or router. Wireless Local Area Network (WLAN). Features: provides wireless connectivity to devices within a limited area, enables mobility and flexibility for users. Structure: utilizes wireless access points to transmit data over radio frequencies, allowing devices like laptops and smartphones to connect without physical cables. Wide Area Network WAN. Features: spans a large geographical area, connecting multiple LANs or remote locations. Facilitates communication between devices in different cities or countries. Structure: uses routers and leased communication lines, such as fiber optic cables or satellite links. 2. Links: to establish connections between distant LANs or sites. Storage Area Network SAN. Features: connects storage devices like disk arrays to servers, enabling centralized storage management and data access. Structure: utilizes specialized high-speed fiber channel or ISCSI networks to connect storage devices to servers, providing direct block-level access to data. Personal Area Network PAN. Features: connects personal devices within a person's workspace or immediate vicinity, enables communication on data transfer between devices. Structure: often established through short-range wireless technologies like Bluetooth or Zigbee, allowing devices like smartphones, laptops, and wearable gadgets to interconnect. Research and explain potential security implications that each type of network faces and discuss methods that can be used to reduce them. Local Area Network LAN. Security implications. Unauthorized access. LANs can be susceptible to unauthorized access if proper access controls and authentication mechanisms are not implemented. Data interception. Data transmitted over LANs can be intercepted by attackers if encryption is not employed. Insider threats. LANs are vulnerable to insider threats, where employees with network access may misuse or leak sensitive information. Methods to reduce security risks. Implement strong user authentication and access controls. Use encryption protocols like WPA2 or WPA3 for wireless LANs. Regularly update firmware and security patches on network devices. Wireless Local Area Network (WLAN). Security implications. Eavesdropping. WLAN's wireless nature allows attackers to eavesdrop on data transmissions. Unauthorized access. WLANs can be accessed by unauthorized users if weak passwords or no encryption are used. Rogue access points. Attackers can set up rogue access points to mimic legitimate networks and intercept data. Methods to reduce security risks. Use strong encryption, e.g., WPA2, WPA3 to protect data during transmission. Disable SSID broadcasting and enable MAC address filtering. Regularly update router firmware to address security vulnerabilities. Wide Area Network WAN. Security implications. Data vulnerability. Data transmitted over public WAN links can be intercepted by malicious actors. DOS attacks. WANs are susceptible to distributed denial of service DOS attacks, causing service disruptions. Data compliance. Ensuring data privacy and compliance can be challenging across multiple WAN connections. Methods to reduce security risks. Use virtual private networks (VPNs) with strong encryption to secure data transmitted over WAN links. Implement traffic filtering and rate limiting to mitigate DDoS attacks. Regularly monitor WAN traffic for unusual activity or potential security breaches. Storage Area Network SAN. Security implications. Unauthorized access. If SAN access controls are not properly configured, unauthorized users may gain access to critical data. Data integrity. Ensuring data integrity and protection against tampering is essential. SAN management. Weak management practices can lead to security vulnerabilities. Methods to reduce security risks. Implement strong authentication and access controls for SAN. Resources, encrypt data at rest and during transmission within the SAN. Regularly review access logs to detect unauthorized attempts. Personal Area Network PAN. Security implications, Bluetooth vulnerabilities. TANs using Bluetooth can be susceptible to hacking and unauthorized device connections. Privacy concerns. PANs involve personal devices, making them vulnerable to privacy breaches. Methods to reduce security risks. Use strong authentication methods for PAN devices, like secure pairing for Bluetooth connections. Keep PAN devices updated with the latest firmware and security patches. Disable unnecessary PAN devices when not in use to minimize exposure. Intranets, extranets, internet and the cloud. Describe the different features of the following networks. Intranet, private network. Intranet is a private network accessible only to authorized users. Within an organization. Information sharing. It facilitates the sharing of resources, documents, and information among employees or members. Collaboration tools. Intranets often include communication and collaboration tools like email, forums, and document sharing. Extranet, extended access. Extranets extend the functionality of intranets to external parties, like suppliers, customers, or partners. Controlled sharing. It allows controlled access to specific information or resources for authorized external users. Secure communication. Extranets use secure connections like VPNs to ensure data privacy and protect against unauthorized access. Internet, global connectivity. The Internet connects millions of devices worldwide, providing a global network for data exchange and communication. Vast information resources. It offers an immense repository of information accessible through websites, search engines, and online databases. Diverse applications. The Internet supports various services, such as email, social media, online shopping, and cloud computing. Cloud, on-demand services. Cloud computing provides on-demand access to computing resources, such as storage, processing power, and applications. Scalability. Users can easily scale resources up or down based on their requirements, paying only for what they use. Virtualization. Cloud services often use virtualization technology to efficiently allocate and manage resources. Progress check.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.